Bombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host Limpo Mogala. I'm in Bombela Stadium to witness the Petro Premiership clash between TS Galaxy and Mamelodi Santos. A game as of futures concluded the scoreline of 3-2 in favor of TS Galaxy, prevailing and beating and defeating the reigning Petro Premiership champions. And I'm joined by Mamelodi Santos, yeah, the hustler. TS Galaxy, the Mamelodi Santos fan. Dunayam, Kulmanam, Gondagalan, Hustler. Gondagalan, Namtawa Hustler, na, goodbye. Why?
Nendo tezo ham.
Why?
Tezo la shegelo msebenzi.
Sure.
Kadoso mfethu.
Well, Kados.
Yeah. Kadoso swami, Kadoso yonke into ithathe from magame abo Stellenbosch up until now.
Sure.
Lento la ngabe namhla sirephile, sifekile ngalento lesayiphakamisa.
Yeah.
Uthethe light. And I'm worried good Sunday you're going to win the CAF. Sunday is soba nenkinga. Epitori.
Ngane Esfar. Come la semuro.
Sizoba nenkinga.
Sure.
Sizoba nenkinga leadership. I'm not happy, man. I'm not happy. But yena ushilo wathi uyahamba.
Yeah.
Ushilo uthi uyahamba.
Ufuna kuhamba njani manje Dunayam?
Uyahamba akaphathanga next.
Phela asibuka kahle Dunayam mase silandlela kahle eqinisweni. Akakayiwini Nedbank Cup domestically. Akakayiwini nayo iMTN. Akakayiwini Calling Black Label. Kodwa itrophy lesizini le Kadoso la iwinile domestic. Ileague kumthatha kuze ileague kusane unsent sure ukuthi into ayike niwine ileague. Sekumele nime nibone Orlando Pirates ukuthi idlala njani.
Ithethi phakaniya mfethu. Usho ukuthi say obvious. Ngabe siwinile namuhla. At least bekune hope ukuthi so wenza smash and grab. Ngoba smash and grab sijwayele. Mara asikawinanga namuhla.
Yeah.
Bengicabanga iDurban City bezosenza umsebenzi wepatrol. Sikhona ukuthi sidlule mara hayi kuphelile.
Usho ukuthi
Hayi it's over prime. We have to focus on CAF. Come Sunday, I'm urging all Mamelodi Sundowns supporters to fill up Loftus. Let's paint Loftus yellow. Let's win our CAF, our second star. Cabo Yellow Masandawana.
Dunayam ngembi kokuthi ngorele Kabuyelo nidlala ngembi kokuthi if it happens ukuthi kuyenteka lo lokwenzakalako Dunayam ileague nendeka ngakho ngayo lenhlahla leyo take into consideration iPirates wadraw oyithula ama game lawo ningabe nisetulu ngabo nama points koyele kanjani itrophy nayo iphakamisela kuphi ngoba itrophy sathi ukuthi iphakamisela ngegame yokugcina Dunayam khuluma nami ngiphendule ngaloko
question esisibuza yona party uyazi who run the PSL
ubani
amfethu mfethu umuntu orun the PSL uIvan Khoza asabi phela thina siyakhuluma uIvan Dr Iron Duke who run the PSL lento leyenza yena uthaqala kuyibona Sundowns this best was supposed to play on the last day baba odlala lokho itrophy lihambe ngema helicopter apha masithwale njani mara namuhla iyosiphakamisa ema-ofisini siphakamisa kuyadlalwa la
Dunayam ngibonga kakhulu sikhathi sakho
ngibongile mfethu